Welcome to another edition of our YouTube videos. Today we are going to talk about indices and the laws of indices. When we say indices is the plural form of an index. Index, which simply refers to a power. So let's assume that you have 2 times 2. 2 times 2 can be written in an index form as 2 index 2. So we call this one the base, and this is the index, which can also be called the power or the exponent. So index simply refers to writing a number in a power form. So let's talk about the laws of indices. We have several laws, about 7 laws, which we will talk about them. So we have one, what we call the product law. We have the product law, which says that if the bases are the same, for instance, a raised to the power 2 times a raised to the power 3. Here we have the same basis, therefore we just add their powers. So this will give us a 2 plus 3, giving us a raised to the power 5. So example is 7 raised to the power 3 times 7 raised to the power 4. Since the bases are the same, we just pick their powers, which is 7 raised to the power 3 plus 4. And the answer is 7 raised to the power 7. So this is what? The first law. The second law, which is the quotient law. The quotient law says that if the bases are the same, then we subtract, and it is division. We subtract their powers. So for the first law, we add. The second law, we subtract 3 minus 2, which is 3 raised to the power, a raised to the power 1. So example is 7 raised to the power 5 over 7 raised to the power 3. This will give us 7 raised to the power 5 minus 3. And the answer is 7 raised to the power 2. So this is the second law of indices. Now the third law is a power to a power. So you have a raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2. This means that a raised to the power 3 times a raised to the power 3. And per the first law, we just add their powers to give you what? A raised to the power 6. So in a short way, a power to a power, we just multiply the powers. So 3 times 2 will give you 6. So example is 7 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 3. So we just multiply the powers. 4 times 3 to give us 12. So that will give us 7 raised to the power 12. So that's the third law of indices. Then we have the fourth law, which is the zero law. The fourth law, zero law. And for the zero law, what it says is that any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. 1000 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. 500 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So that's the fourth law. And the fifth law, that's the negative law. So a raised to the power negative 1 is the reciprocal of the base. So you turn it upside down. So which will give you 1 over a. So given that you have 7 raised to the power negative 2 is equal to 1 over 7 raised to the power 2. So that's the reciprocal of the what? The base. You turn the base upside down. And we have the sixth law, which is fractional law. The fractional law. So a raised to the power 2 over 3. So the denominator comes out root. The have the seventh law, which is a negative fraction. The seventh law, a negative fraction. So negative 2 on 3. So since it is a negative, and from our reference in the fifth law, we reciprocate. So it will give us 1 over a 2 over 3. So it is, that's it. So these are the 7 laws of indices. In our next video, we will learn how to simplify indices. So if you find this interesting, please kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe for more videos. See you in our next video. Bye bye.